In this video, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to configure automatic backups in Slicie. You can see your current backup schedule in the top right under Backups. Here I can see that it is following the 30-minute backup schedule. If I want to change the backup schedule, I need to go into the Backups section. I can do this using the link that says Backups in the top of the navigation. I can also use the button View under Backups. I'm going to do that. On this page, I can see all of my server's backups. If I want to see my current backup schedule, I need to scroll to the bottom of this page. Here, I can see that my server is following the default backup schedule. In this video, we're going to create a custom schedule. To do that, I'm going to go to Create a New Schedule. The first step is to name your backup schedule. The next step is to choose how often you want to take a backup. I would like to take a backup every 2 hours. Now you just need to choose how long that backup should exist. I want my backup to stay around for 6 hours. Let's go ahead and make another backup. I want this backup to be taken every 3 days. I want to keep these backups for 1 month. If you want a more complicated schedule, you can always add more entries with the button in the bottom left. The final step is simply to apply the backup schedule to your server so that Slicie will follow it automatically. If you decide that you want to take a backup on demand, that's very easy too. You can simply click the button Create a New Backup and it will make a backup instantly. You can tell which backups were created on demand and which ones followed an automatic schedule because the on-demand backups have a flag icon and the automatic backups have an alarm clock icon. You can also verify your current schedule by scrolling to the bottom of the page. And now we're done. Slicie will follow this schedule and make backups based on your preferences.